Okay, so as you can see in your Blackboard web page, there is now one CRN created for 3 courses that we offer to the same group. Yes, what we should do there is to go to the
To each course.
to go to each course,
Yes.
the newly assigned courses. Yes, that's with CRN
Yes.
CRN
You just
only.
click on it. Yes.
Okay, click on it.
Yes. And you go to Grade Center.
We go to Grade Center, full Grade Center.
Yes.
We create a.
We hide these columns that we don't need. For
Okay.
example, student ID.
Okay, so we go to column column
Yes,
organization
yes.
through manage, and then we select the columns that we don't need.
Yes, we
Let's
don't
say
need
username, student ID, last access, availability, and we weight total external.
Yes, we keep them.
We keep these 2 sections and their name and surname. Then we choose hide the selected
Yes.
columns.
Yes.
Okay, and we submit it like this. Okay, now we have only weight total here left and total left here.
Yes.
So we will see now what to do. Gunay now will tell me what we're doing with these sections.
Okay, you need to create new columns.
We create a new column here, and we call it
So we need to create 3 components. We call first column.
We create 3 components. The components. The first column is called
Reading and writing.
No. I am teaching listening and speaking only.
Listening and speaking. Okay.
Do I have to also create reading writing column?
No. I misunderstand.
Listening and speaking. Its weight is 33%.
Listening and speaking. Total
33.
33.
Okay, so I go to Grade Center, full Grade Center again. I create one column there. I create one column there. I will call it listening and speaking. It is the listening and speaking course of B1 group that I am teaching, and I will give it a percentage here.
Yes.
And the score here.
Score. Yes, you put score here.
And then I gave it 33 points. So please remember, listening and speaking course and language use courses, they constitute 33 points of the overall grade. 34 points goes to reading and writing course. So if you are teaching reading writing, you write it here as 34, and otherwise it's 33 for listening and speaking and grammar courses. Okay, and we submit it like this.
You can calculate with total or with total and also with weighted total. It's up to you.
Yeah, you decide. You can make it. So now it will go as total. Yes, it does not matter. And then, okay, so I'll do the same with the second course of mine. Now I'll see if that. And then at the end, I will come back to this course and I will add grades here one by one manually.
Okay.
Yes. So I will get my final from the course site or course page. I will see what my finals are. I will come back to this page and submit the grades one by one. Okay. So this is what it is like. Thank you.